It's so easy at this time of year to feel cold because it's blustery and windy outside. So a really good way to warm you up is getting all this amazing colour into your body. Nutrient dense fruit and veg. It's amazing. So here I am quickly back from a Tai Chi workout session, and I think, right, what's for lunch? This is awesome. Okay, so today I'm going to juice kale, amazingly abundant at this time of the year, organic, cheap, amazing if you've got it growing in the garden, packed with nutrient dense magnesium and potassium. That's what your immune system needs at this time of year. Apples, organic, local apples. Make sure you cut the bruises out. Lemons, packed with antioxidants and really good fighting form for your immune system. You want to warm things up? Ginger, turmeric. If you're struggling with a cold, whack it with 1 clove of garlic. If you juice that, you are going to really give your immune system a boost. Lighten the load on the greens with some mint and some parsley, which is fantastic for your immune system. Give it a bit of zing with some green or red peppers. Heat it up again with radish, amazing. Balance out the sugars with some apple, which is, very, very sweet in a juice. Carrot is also amazingly sweet. Lots of hydration, magnesium and potassium and manganese and all these good vitamins in cucumber, which is also excellent for your blood. And always, always, always make sure you make one for later. Okay? Now, there's no point in going through all of this work and not making one for later. And you can keep that in a glass jar in the fridge, and that'll keep for a couple of days, especially if you're using a Green Star or a slow masticating juicer like I'm using. Quick offer from anyone who's watching, because I've been awarded Nutritionist of the Year by Total Wellness Club. So thank you so much for this award. It means so much to me. To celebrate this award, I'm offering you a free copy of my recipe book. So all you've got to do is head over to Passion for Juice on Facebook, the Passion for Juice page, Passion number 4 Juice page, and on the top of that page is a free recipe book offer. All you've got to do is type in the comments yes, and that recipe offer will be pinged to you immediately. So thank you so much for watching. Enjoy your